Hello guys, today we will see that how to download and install the Adobe Reader for Windows 11 as the previous version is not compatible with Windows 11. So in the search window Google Chrome write get.adobe slash reader. Click on all versions, then download Adobe Acrobat. Open this file. As soon as you open this file, installation will start. This is taking several minutes. So installation is finished. So now we'll check it on launch Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and finish. So I can show you the one Adobe Reader file. So this is one of the document for Bharat Electronics advertisement. So yeah, now you can access the PDF files on Windows 11 by Adobe Acrobat Reader. For more, subscribe, like the video, share with your friends who are facing difficulty in such contents, and stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.